Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning session. Today we will learn 10 daily use English words and meanings with example sentences. Let's begin. Necessary মানে প্রয়োজনীয়. Drinking water is necessary for health. Believe বিশ্বাস করা. I believe you can do it. Maybe সম্ভবত. Maybe he will come today. Quickly দ্রুত. He finished his homework quickly. Hungry ক্ষুধার্ত. I am hungry, give me some food. Comfortable মানে আরামদায়ক. This chair is very comfortable. Important গুরুত্বপূর্ণ. Learning English is important for everyone. Confuse মানে বিভ্রান্ত হওয়া. I am confused about this question. Sometimes কখনো কখনো. Sometimes I go for a morning walk. Improve উন্নতি করা. I want to improve my English every day. That's all for today. Practice this daily use English words and try to make your own sentences. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.